Hello folks. So in this video I'm going to introduce transpose of a matrix. Transpose is nothing but a new matrix which will be created from the original one, where in the new matrix the rows become columns and the columns becomes rows of a new of the original matrix. Okay, so we'll see here how it is done. So let's pick any existing matrix here. Okay, as a matter of fact we'll pick this mat1 only. Okay, so how can we transpose a matrix? We will do like this and then suffix it by t, and when you transpose it you can see, okay, so you can see these were the rows, right? 0 1 and 4 7, correct? So this 0 1, which was a row earlier, it has been changed into a column now. Similarly 4 7, which was a row elements, has become the column elements now. So this is the way we do transpose of a matrix. So thank you guys, please keep on watching for the next upcoming videos. Thank you.